Good morning, Gladiators. Today is Friday, November 13th. Today we're going to reread the poem The Road Not Taken and review Sift. And then we are going to work on our sketchbook number 6. So the Sift method, if you remember, is the S stands for symbol. So after we read the poem one time, we're going to examine the text and the title for any kind of symbolism. And symbolism is an object that has more meaning than its literal sense, and it has more purpose in the poem. Imagery is describing something using your 5 senses and creating a picture in your mind. Figurative speech or figurative language would be similes, metaphors, personification, alliteration, hyperboles. Tone is when a word has connotation, whether it be a negative or positive connotation, and then the theme would be the universal message that the poet or the author is trying to teach us. So in our sketch journal, if we go to Poetry Connection number 6, and The Road Not Taken, we're going to make some connections to our novel. How does this poem relate to the characters, the setting, and the plot? And how does this poem relate to you or your life after reading the novel? So thinking about Sift, we're going to reread The Road Not Taken and complete the Sift chart using the poem. And then you're going to write a poem that expresses your feelings as if you were Jonah. So in Jonah's perspective. We're going to write a rough draft, and then we're going to go back. We're going to add 3 examples of figurative language, 2 examples of sensory language. We're going to highlight and label these figurative language and sensory language, and then we are going to add it to our page 13. So we're going to spend some time completing that today. I'll be sure to add the Road Not Taken poem here so you can refer back to it. And then you're going to take this CFA. It's just a check to see how you are analyzing poetry using Sift. And then finally, we're going to read chapter 17 of our novel. We are getting close to the end. Next week, we should finish the novel, and it should get exciting. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend, Gladiators. Please let me know if you need any help with anything at all. Have a great day.